Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'll show you how I emboss my personalized stickers. I have full DIY tutorial how to use this Embosser Stamp tool. I'll link it down below in the description box. This Embosser Stamp tool has my logo inside there, and I'll be stamping these rectangular shape stickers. So these stickers are like that, and I'll be stamping these stickers with my logo. I'm inserting this sticker in between the stamp tool there, squeezing that handle down, and I have embossed my logo on this sticker and it looks like that. I'm cutting this embossed sticker off like that, and I'll repeat the same process on another sticker, same way. Cutting second sticker off. Also I can use this backing paper because, as you can see, the logo is embossed really clearly, so I can use both sides, so I can get two logos out of this sticker. And now I'm showing you a close-up of embossing my logo on these stickers. Looks like that. Cutting this sticker off. And this is how easy it is to emboss your logo on a sticker. Also I can emboss my logo on these round stickers, as you can see here. It is super easy to create embossed stickers, as you can see. Also I'll be reusing my logo on this backing paper. And it looks like that. Also, I can emboss my logo on card paper. It looks like that. Paper bags. Looks like that. Paper bags with the handles. And logo labels. And that's how I am embossing personalized stickers, logo labels, paper bags and cards. If you have any questions how I embossed these stickers or paper bags or cards, logos, please comment down below in the comment box. I will add all materials down below in the description box. I hope this tutorial was useful. I will see you next time. Love, Anita.